channel. So it's me from the future at the moment, but I just realised my intro wasn't the best, so I stopped it partway through, and here's what we're actually going to be doing. We are going to be painting a saying, and it's going to be part of my Christmas present. So stuff I'm going to do for Christmas presents and that sort of thing. In future videos, I will do a how to, what I'm doing for Christmas, and also as well as ideas for Christmas and other suggestions. If you have other suggestions, please put them in the comment section down below. So that's about it. Now, as you will notice, I started off doing something else, as you will notice in this video, I started off doing something else, but on the same canvas, but it didn't work, so I changed it round. So this one is a bit of a rush together, so I do apologize if it's not the best, but it's still going to be good enough because I haven't decided not to post it yet. So yes, and if you are seeing this, I've already posted it. I mean, there you go, yay! Okay. So let's all get you back to the steps. Goodbye. Okay, so our first step will be to figure out what we're doing. Now, I'm just going to sort of do it freehand style then, but I'm going to use the colours for this that I was using so I don't waste it, which is these ones and the blue I made, which was just using a fair bit of white and some blue to make it light blue instead of dark blue. So first I'm going to start off with my black. So now that's my first step done. I've just written what I want this round, which is home sweet home. Alright, so one tip is when you're cleaning your paintbrushes, use your paper towel and just wipe it. And I think I'm gonna, by the looks of it, I'm just to clean it now. With black's a really tricky color, so I always just use a separate brush for black normally. So I'm just going to do some flower in each corner. I'm going to keep it simple. I've probably done the circles a bit bigger than they need to be, but we can work with it. It's not like I've mucked it up yet, so we'll just keep on going. Now I've changed my mind on what I'm actually going to do here, because my flower didn't work out, is I'm actually going to sort of do a block color type thing. So I will sort of just go round, so each corner will be the orange made by the yellow and pink. Now I'm just going to leave in between the black areas white, because what I would have done if I actually realised I was going to paint the hole in, would have been paint the hole in first and then put the black on. basically all I've done is I've mixed my yellow and pink, and then just done a rough pink border. Yeah, it may look a little messy, but okay, so that will be it for this video now. And then, so yes, not one of my best, but it's good enough for me to say yes. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for more fun and better DIYs, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye!